So the nice one. Aw. Now it's off in the workshop.
Hey, what's that cheering and clapping? Hot chocolate? Seriously? This humans with the white jacket sitting right down front is buying hot chocolate for everyone! That's so generous. The love hot chocolate. Nice. Well, good evening, everyone. We're so glad you're all here. Whether you have fur or fangs or horns or tentacles, the holidays are a time to celebrate with the ones that you love. And speaking of celebrating, do you all know who your holiday show host is today? I'll give you a hint. It's Mike Wazowski. Do we have any Mike Wazowski fans out there? Make some noise. Awesome. You'll be glad to hear that. And that concludes the mic check. Thank you, the mic check. First joke of the show. We got some jingle watts in that can. Pretty good stuff. A human who wants to dance. Well, don't fight it, guys. He's a dancer. He's a prancer. He's a vixen. He's a donor. He's a blitzen. What? Yes. Give that human a round of applause. Nicely done. He was getting down without getting up. Nice. Hey, there's one more thing you need to know. If a monster ever says, "Happy Holidays," the traditional response is to throw your hands into the air and scream like this. Yeah! That's hands up and scream really loud. Let's try it out. Happy Holidays! Oh, that was perfect. Okay, it's time for the show. Everyone say, Roz, start the show!
Roz,
start the show!
I'll be back! Ginger!
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your holiday cheer. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, when it comes to lists, you may find yourself on the naughty one. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to the Lab Floor Holiday Show! And now, let's hear some holiday cheers for your ho-ho host, me, Mike Wazowski! Happy Holidays! Very good! I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the lab floor. Now, this is your first time in the monster world. There are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy, it would be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're at the laughter. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that made 1,000 elves cry. Hey, what's worse than a stocking full of coal? A stocking full of Roz! She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Yeah.
Wazowski, you'd better fill the can this time, or else.
What?
The naughty list.
Phew! Are you ready for our first act? Here they are, Mac and Cheese!
Happy Holidays!
Everybody, hello there. My name is Jeeves. This is my little brother Mac. Mac here is an expert in the holiday tradition
Of the human world!
What? The human world? No, it's supposed to be
I've been studying the human world holidays. I know everything about them. Quiz me.
Okay, I will. I'm going to ask somebody where they're from. You can give us the tradition. That's what we'll do. Humans, let's test them. Throw your hands up in the air. It could be anyone.
Anyone except for that guy. Not even he knows where he celebrates.
Okay, let's do this. Humans, throw your hands up in the air. If you celebrate the holidays somewhere, we'll find out where it is. My brother will tell us all about it.
Don't be shy. Hands up.
Hint, hint. This should be everybody. You should all know where you live, right?
You would think.
Okay, I'm going to pick somebody who's not waving their hands around.
More hands. More hands.
Okay, over here on the end, waving both of their hands.
Hello.
Yes, now counting to 4. Hello, what is your name?
Keely.
Hi, Keely. Keely, where are you from?
I'm from I'm from here.
It wasn't a trick question.
You don't know where you live?
Yeah, in Orlando.
Oh, no. Okay.
That was suspenseful.
Yeah, it was. Orlando. I know how they celebrate the holidays in Orlando. They celebrate by hiding teeth underneath a pillow, which then a rabbit comes, takes them and hides them inside a jack-o'-lantern, which they arrange around their iconic North Pole.
I like
Is
to
that
what
right?
happened to those teeth.
Okay, so he's right.
Sure.
Genius! Thank you, Keely! Celebrate those holidays in style. Keely.
Wow, I'm surprised by a lot of things that just happened right there. Yeah.
She knows what's what.
Okay,
You want to do it again? Let's do it again. On the other side, there's a human that's got 2 heads, just like us.
2 heads.
That is a 2-headed human. Look at that. They're stuck together at the armpit like we are.
Yeah. Hello there, what are your names?
Chad and Amy.
Chad and Amy, is that right?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Chad and Amy. And where are you from?
Ohio.
Ohio, they celebrate by emptying out their refrigerator. They put everything in a giant blender and make a mysterious beverage known as Fagnog, which they then strain to an old dirty sock, which they hang on their iconic North Pole.
You just said iconic North Pole.
Yeah, it's a franchise.
Of course.
They're everywhere.
Okay, is any of that right?
Yes, all of it.
I know everything about Ohio. I even know their brand new, yet somehow traditional holiday scarol. You want to hear it?
Oh boy.
It goes like this.
Okay.
Ohio is the place for me. La 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 la. Come to celebrate with Chad and Amy. La 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 la. They fill their stockings up with coal. La 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 la. And dance and sing around the iconic North Pole. La 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 la. That's it.
Great. Let's see how they did. Oh, 15 gigawatts. Looking good. Okay, this next act is almost as jolly as the man who says ho-ho. Santa wasn't available. He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle. Woo! Okay. Here we go. Happy holidays!
It's so nice to see you all again, especially that guy. Nice. Hey, you all know I'm Buddy Boyle, but did you also know that I have psychic powers? That's right. I'm telepathetic. I will now demonstrate those powers by predicting the ultimate holiday gift of one of you human types out there. So please, raise your hand if you are human. Whoa, it's a lot more humans than I expected, but I am being drawn to one particular human, wearing a dark shirt and glasses. To volunteer someone else. But now I predict a microphone will appear in front of their face now. Woo. Hi, what's your name?
Richie.
Correct. Yeah, Richie, we're off to a good start. Now, Richie, it would be very impressive if I was able to predict your ultimate holiday gift and it was already in this box. Would it not, Richie?
It would.
Correct again. Wow, Richie, I'm starting to think you might have telepathetic powers. Okay, listen, what's that?
But I'm definitely pathetic.
Yeah, okay, good. We're gonna use that. And you are going to beam your ultimate holiday gift directly into this box with your power. So concentrate on your ultimate holiday gift. The thing you want most this holiday season, and beam it into this box. Yes. Richie, you can concentrate better if you place your hands on the side of your head. That'll help you concentrate. Hands on your head. Yeah, good. In fact, make your fingers into like magical reindeer antlers. Make reindeer antlers. Yes. Give me a scrunchy, concentrated face. Now, Richie, make the sound of a magical reindeer. Go for it.
Yawn.
That was great. Do it again. Keep going, Richie. It's just 5 more minutes, Richie. Now reindeer from all across the state are on their way here, Richie. All right, Richie, it's time. I want you to go ahead and tell the audience, what is your ultimate holiday gift?
Trip to Disney World.
Is there another Richie here in the audience? I mean, seems a little redundant at this point, Richie, but it's the spirit of the giving of the gifts that counts, and that this is another holiday gift you really wanted that happens to smell a lot like fruitcake, huh? But it's vacation scented fruitcake, huh? Yay! All right, Richie, here you are. Your ultimate holiday gift. You don't seem too surprised, Richie. But maybe you'll be surprised at this! Yes!
Oh, gosh, where'd you do that?
Oops, my finger slipped.
Well, look at that, Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Oh, you're nice. Remember, I'm checking. Always checking.
Okay.
Checking, always checking. I'm Roz. Look at my ugly sweater.
You just made the naughty list.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, performing holiday jokes you just sent in, my nephew, Marty Wazowski!
Happy holidays! Look at all the humans out here having a holiday party. This is awesome. Oh boy, let me tell you, I've been learning all the stuff about the human holidays from the jokes you've been texting in to us. I learned about Santa Claus. Oh man, is he awesome or what? Even I sent him a letter this time. You know what? He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He's watching. He's always watching. Roz is Santa?
Ho, ho, ho.
I've been really good, Roz, I promise. Hey, who else out here has been really good this year? Throw your hand up in the air if you've been really good this year. I want to talk to you. Let's see what's been going on. And I was wondering if some of you could help me tell some of the human jokes. Let's see what's happening. Let's go around this side of the theater. About, I don't know, 6, 7 rows. We got someone with a big gold bow in their head there. How you doing, Marty? Happy holidays. I'm Marty Wazowski. What's your name?
My name is JC.
Hi, JC. It's nice to meet you. So, JC, tell me this. Have you been this good or have you been this good?
I've been this good.
Give it up for JC, everybody. She's definitely on that nice list. That's pretty cool. So here's something cool, right? So I asked her a bunch of stuff for Christmas. But my Uncle Mike said I should come out here and get a comedy partner. Would you be able to help me with some of the jokes that came in today?
Sure.
All right, here we go. The first one I got came to us today from Chris, and Chris is from Indiana. Okay, so Chris says, how do you wash your hands over the holidays? Do you know how?
Mm-mm.
With sanitizer. Sanitizer. I got a little for you. This one came to us today from Drew, and Drew is from Chicago, Illinois. Drew says, where did the snowman hide his money? Do you know where he put it?
In the snowbank.
Yeah, the snowman! This is pretty good. This is your best partner. Okay, I got one more for you. This one came straight from Wayne. Wayne's from Orlando. Wayne says, how much does Santa pay for his brand new sleigh? Do you know how much?
Nothing. It was on the roof.
Whoa! Spoiler, aisle 5. That's right, it was nothing. It was on the house. Hey, everybody, give JC a round of applause. She's been really I hope you have the best holiday ever. Hey, you know what? I got one more joke for you. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
That guy! That's me. Give it up for my comedy partner, JC. We got about 6 minutes.
Hey, let's give the little guy a big hand. What a treat. Okay, look at that. Sweet and sweet
Well, I guess it's a holiday bonus for the one responsible.
Oh yeah? So what am I getting?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy. Give him a big hand.